Is your scalp really dry? Is it flaking? Is it itchy? Is this something that is always an issue, especially when it gets colder outside? Well, I have a simple solution for all of you. And as a professional hairstylist for over 30 years, I have my own hair products, my own line of hair products. In my experience from people who have used this is my hemp set. This is a shampoo and a conditioner. So it comes sealed like this, and then when you pop the cap there, the pump opens up like that, and you've got a pump. So this is my shampoo and conditioner hemp set. It's become very popular. It's a very high-end shampoo and conditioner set. Now, one of the reasons why your hair may be getting a bit dry and because it gets colder is that's just what happens in the colder months. You also may have a scalp condition that you're trying to buy cheaper shampoos over the counter. You're going to the drugstore, the supermarket. Oh, this says anti-dandruff, and you buy it and nothing really helps. It's very inexpensive. Your hair feels super dry. It's because of all those harsh chemicals. And some of those are needed in some extent to if you use this super harsh chemical, it's going to make your scalp better. When in reality, it's just drying your hair out, and it's not really the greatest for your scalp, in my opinion. So I decided to create this, which is my hemp shampoo and conditioner. And hemp is a natural, very, very healing ingredient that is amazing for dry scalp, psoriasis, dandruff. And I've had people, customers, clients who have said to me, I will never use any other product ever again because this not only makes my hair feel incredible, but it's also the highest quality and it's gotten rid of all of my dry scalp issues. Yes, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a business person. I'm going to promote the products that I have that I'm confident in because I know the solutions they can provide to you. So let's just go over, for example, the shampoo alone. So the shampoo alone, right? Just some of the ingredients. You can find all the ingredients on my website, right? But just take a close look at here. So some of the ingredients include hemp oil, it's organic hemp oil. The hemp oil, like I said, is very, very good for the scalp, right? It's got rosemary leaf extract. Rosemary, it's very soothing, very healing for the scalp. Vitamin E. You can't get any better for your skin than vitamin E. It's got quinoa protein, jojoba, right? Jojoba is the closest thing, jojoba oil, to what your skin naturally produces. And I learned this from an esthetician. A lot of times people will throw coconut oil in their products. Coconut oil actually clogs the scalp. I've learned this, and your skin and your pores. I've learned this from a celebrity esthetician. Because when I was asking her what ingredients, what should I go with, coconut oil, this oil, that, she said, no. Coconut oil actually clogs your pores, and if anything, it's not good for the scalp. That's what I learned from a really big esthetician. So I said, all right, let's go with the jojoba, because it's the best thing and the most natural to what your skin or your scalp naturally produces when it comes to oils. So what the benefits you're getting from these are that it's directly targeted towards healing your scalp. Just think about people who take CBD or sort of any hemp products for pain and all that. It's for healing properties. Same goes for your scalp. All right, now the conditioner. Now when it comes to conditioner, a lot of times people, they may misuse the conditioner or overuse the conditioner. The thing about this is that it actually does contain similar ingredients. It does have the organic hemp oil, but conditioners, you don't always want to necessarily go right on the scalp. What I suggest for when you're applying conditioner to your hair, and this goes for male, like men or women, doesn't really matter. This is a unisex product. I always take the conditioner and I start at the ends and I work the ends through first. And then maybe I'll lightly run it through the scalp like this with my fingers. But you always want to start applying the conditioner towards the ends. The shampoo is what's really going to be the benefit to your scalp because you're getting that on your scalp and you're getting a light lather and you're working this in. The conditioner, I would say, again, especially if you have like finer hair, you don't want to use a ton of conditioner, glob it on your scalp like this, and then nothing gets on the ends. Start working it through your ends, doesn't matter if your hair's short, work it through, and then gradually work it through like this or rake it back, and then you can just rinse it out. I'm telling you alone from my experience, my shampoos, and I have 2 other shampoo sets, your hair will literally feel like the healthiest your hair has ever felt. There's a lot of people in my industry at least, that have never spent a day in the industry, or they're like a prison barber, or they came out and they've like, oh yeah, like I cut hair in my basement, so it makes no. I've worked for major companies like L'Oreal Professional, Paul Mitchell. I've been in the industry over 30 years. I've worked on thousands of clients. I've used some of the biggest name brands out there. Like, I'm talking big hair salon brands. And this looks like the best this, best that, and it literally makes your hair feel super dry and unhealthy. I can honestly say, even when I shampoo, yes, I have to shampoo my scalp and even my face with my beard feels the softest and smoothest just from using any one of my shampoos alone, even the shampoo alone. So if you're looking to battle dry scalp, just understand that if you go outside, it gets colder, you're not producing as many oils, you're not sweating as much maybe, and that could be a reason why your scalp's getting dry. If you have natural scalp issues, dandruff, stuff like that, this is going to be a great solution for you. And if you want, you can use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com, which is my official website. I'm very passionate about this, and I want the best for you. Yes, obviously, as an entrepreneur, I love to get sales, right? I'm not driving around Ferraris and showing off mansions and half-naked girls in my videos. I'm literally a bald hairstylist. I shave my head and I have my own hair products based off of my passion and my knowledge for being in the industry and working on thousands of clients throughout my career. These are going to be a great option for you. My hemp set, shop.thesalonguy.com, YouTube20. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.